While we all know we should be taking vitamins for better health, did you know there is one company making vitamin supplements that are made completely of raw foods? Nothing chemical about these vitamins. Here's more on this very natural option.
Well, first of all, Garden of Life's a whole food nutritional company. If you look inside of a piece of food and you look at what form that nutrient exists in, it doesn't exist in isolation. That vitamin and/or mineral does not occur by itself. It occurs as a part of a complex. So there are a variety of whole food complexes, some pigments and some proteins and some enzymes and things that aren't vitamins and minerals themselves that we feel make a difference in terms of absorption, utilization, retention, and recognition of that nutrient by the body.
So what makes the Garden of Life vitamin system different from, say, something we pick up, anywhere else?
Well, especially if you pick a multivitamin up in the mass market, number one, there's a lot of crummy binders and fillers, a lot of synthetic substances that are used to either hold that tablet together or kind of use as a shellac coating on the outside. We wanted these formulas to be as user-friendly as possible. So not only are these nutrients in their whole food complex form for their absorbability and their absorption rates, they are 100% active ingredients, meaning everything you get in that plant-based vegetable fiber capsule is 100% active ingredients. Everything has nutritional value and nutritional purpose. Everything in there is a vitamin, a mineral, a probiotic, an enzyme, a fruit, a vegetable. That's it. There's no magstearate, no maltodextrin, no gluten, no dairy. A lot of the stuff that doesn't agree with people, they're not in these products.
It's not a chemistry experiment inside of there.
Exactly. It's more akin to what we actually get when we eat food. Really healthy food.
Perfect. One thing that I really noticed that I am very impressed is with the fact that, number one, gluten-free, dairy-free, no soy. My mom would appreciate that because she has dairy issues. Emily has gluten. She can't handle gluten. So I really love the fact that you take those issues into account here.
Absolutely. Like I said earlier, we wanted these to be as user-friendly as possible. We've also, in every single formulation, included probiotics and enzymes, which are actually going to help the digestion and assimilation of some of these nutrients.
Okay, and tell me the difference. I see women, men, all kinds of variety here. Tell us a little bit of kind of what each one does.
Sure. These formulations, they differ in terms of what I like to call subtle yet significant nutritional differences that we between our genders or ages require in terms of optimal nutrient levels. So for example, women over the age of 50 for healthy blood, they don't need as much iron as a woman who's under 50. Men who are trying to support a healthy reproductive system, we need more zinc on the average than a typical female does. Folate, which is a B vitamin, is very important during pregnancy. So women of childbearing age should be sure they get specific levels of that particular nutrient. That's really how these formulations differ from one another.
So we have prenatal women 50 and over, men 50 and over, and then down here a family version plus a weight, let's say weight loss, but weight maintenance version.
Yeah, the family version is for someone who a family that just wants to have one bottle of vitamins that go and cover the entire family. It's sort of the perfect for no one but suitable for everybody sort of vanilla flavor, if you will. The perfect weight version actually has, it's great for a dieter, but it's also great for anybody who has stress or wants to support optimal energy levels. There's a clinically studied mountain form of an adaptogenic herb. It's something that helps you adapt to stress. It's called ashwagandha. If you're low in energy, it brings you up. If you're stressed out and anxious, it brings you down. It actually helps support healthy cortisol balance, which is a stress hormone, and actually may help prevent carbohydrate and sugar cravings as well. The perfect weight is great for energy balance and stress reduction.
And again, the fact that these are whole food vitamins, I think is what impresses me.
Right, it's the cofactor. So if you were to actually weigh these products out, if you were to take those 4 capsules, weigh them on a scale, 80% of that weight is not the vitamin B1, the thiamine, or the ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Those are present, but 80% of the weight are the cofactors, the things that are either A, healthy for your body on their own, or B, help with the absorption that are found in foods that you don't get from a standard isolated or synthetic mass market multivitamin.
So again, really impressed that these are whole food supplements and vitamins. They have a whole line of products, and we'll even have more on Wednesday's show talking about probiotics and all kinds of things we'll be talking about in future shows. Garden of Life products available at all Nature's outlets in Roanoke, Salem, and Martinsville, but there is the Roanoke phone number, 366-1764.